Welcome back to the Monkey Mischief Classroom. Right now we're going to work on the consonant G, the two sounds that it makes. G makes a hard G sound, but it also has a soft G sound. We've already learned the hard G, which is Gertie Goose says G, G, G. Now we have the soft G sound, like in giraffe, J, J, J. So we've got hard G, 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 G. And then we've got the soft G, J, J, J. We've got the hard G, 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 G. And then we've got the soft G, J, J, J. So hard G, Gertie Goose says G, G, G. That's right. And then soft G says J, J, J. Good job. Excellent work.